Hey y'all, welcome to the Houston Gardening Novice channel. I'm a newbie gardener here in Houston, Texas, Zone 9B. Half the time I don't know what I'm doing, but I enjoy trying things out and figuring out what works for me. I hope you can join me in my gardening journey as I slowly work on building my backyard sanctuary. So this is my one of my peach trees. It's the Florida King peach. It's done flowering, and I need to go ahead and fertilize this fruit tree today. It's the first fruit tree that wakes up for me in the spring. So I'll go ahead and fertilize using this is a 10-10-10 regular fertilizer, and I'll also be adding citrus stone. This is an organic fertilizer, Epsom salt for magnesium, and I'll be amending the soil also with some compost. And once I finish that, I'll be capping off all of that with some hardwood mulch. So I have a bunch of fruit trees. Most of them haven't woken up yet. That loquat never really goes to sleep. So, but I use the same fertilization for pretty much all the fruit trees, except for berries, which I use, instead of citrus stone, I use holy thorn, and I might add some soil acidifier. So let's go ahead and get this peach fertilized. I'm done. I think it looks good. So this should feed the tree at least until summertime. It's at least for 3 months. That should be enough feeding for it. Okay. All right, like I said, I'll repeat this with the rest of the fruit trees as they start waking up. I'll go ahead and fertilize the ones that have already woken up, and it will be the same process. Okay, I'll stop right here. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you all on the next one. Thank you. Bye.